you get a lady that doesn't turn very well, these are 3 good moves for that. So we did a simple, basic paseo first. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1 wind up, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That was the first move that we did. The second one was a lock twist variation. So we have a 2-hand hold, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Start with a tuck turn, 2 hands, 5 and 6, then 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the third move was a tuck turn with a rock and go, which looks like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I'll do that from the other angle so you can see that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Let me do this other one from the other angle too. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, thank you guys very much. Check dancewithjim.com if you want to know my schedule information and stuff. And we're going to play a song or so. And then Wes will be up. All right.